SERV stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So SERV, yeah, robotics stock sitting at approximately 187 bucks, up for the day. That's crazy. There's just completely like just broke structure up like crazy. The way that I'm approaching this market is simple, and you bet that I'm just trying to double down on these upside trends because we know we have a proof of concept. And I wouldn't necessarily buy just randomly. What I'd pretty much do is just wait for the price to pull back into my demand zone and then give me the rules. Now, just for context, all I'm using is just a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, 2023, 2024, telling you all of this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. So now what I want to see is the price to pull down inside my zone and give me the rules. If it starts to go without me, that's also fine. I'll just not even be a part of the movement, you know. There's no point to try and force and run after things, but yeah. I'm going to keep you updated. If you want to learn the strategy for free, by the way, just check the photo link in the description. All the reviews are 5 stars. Prices will be increasing soon as well.